Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I'm doing my Boxycharm versus Glossybox for May of 2018. So you guys, today I have Boxycharm and Glossybox for May of 2018 to unbox for you guys. Boxycharm is by far my favorite box, and Glossybox has some pretty good stuff most of the time, but I'm hoping it's a hit this month so that it can really give Boxycharm a run for its money. That is the dream here. That's the dream. And Glossybox has been getting better lately. They had a limited edition Mother's Day box that I thought was really good. I'll have that linked in the description box down below and up here in a card if you guys want to check that out. But that was a really good box. And you guys, before we jump into this, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet already, and make sure you smash that like button. So let's go ahead and jump into Glossybox first, mostly just because the box is so yellow and pink that I could not ignore it. It was too bright and neon-y. I need to know what's inside. On the front it says eat, sleep, travel, repeat. So I bet the May box is kind of travel-y themed. Maybe this. This is what we look like right here. It's such a cute little package with the little bow. You guys, how cute. And then on this inside pamphlet here, it says Jet Setter. Oh my goodness, you guys, the tissue paper is Atlas themed. It's got like a world map on it. How adorable is that? That is so cute. So the first thing I see in here is these two things, which I think go together. They say John Masters Organics Lavender and Avocado Shampoo and Conditioner. So these are actually decent sizes. I don't mind that. I feel like for a $20 box, maybe I should get more product than this, but it's enough to use and get to try out and know if I like it or not. So it's definitely not full size. That's a little bit disappointing. Still a size that I can get use out of. Probably use them as travel shampoos and conditioners. I think that would work well. So the full size shampoo is worth $16 for 8 fluid ounces, and the full size conditioner is worth $22 for 7 fluid ounces. So looking here, these are both 2 fluid ounces. That would make the shampoo about $4 and the conditioner like $5 or $6. These are actually a good value to get. I still prefer getting full-size items, of course. Shampoos and conditioners aren't things that I definitely love to get in boxes, but for those types of items, this is actually good value. The next thing I'm seeing here is this Mauve Skin Soothing Touch Recovery Balm. It says the full size is $32.50 and the full size is 2 fluid ounces. So this might actually be the full size. And it says, attention jet setters, we got a new go-to. This gentle recovery balm will revive you after a long trip, soothing irritation and reducing inflammation even on sensitive skin. So the general idea behind this is that it's a balm for when you're flying. A lot of people use moisturizer when they're flying in a plane. It has something to do with the plane, like drying out your skin or something like that. I've never 100% understood that, but I get that it's a thing, and I'm sure that this definitely helps with that, but I'll definitely use this and try it out and see how it goes. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing here is a Morgan Taylor nail polish. This is a very pretty color, very summery. I haven't worn this color in a little while because it's been so cold here and so not summery, but I think it's about time for me to break out the pink. So it looks so cute with my blue sweater. I like it. Maybe I'll have to paint my nails pink next. We'll see. We will see. It says here that this is $9.50, and that sounds about right for a nail polish of the size and quality. $9.50 sounds decent for sure. The next thing I'm seeing here is this DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. It says the full size is 6.7 fluid ounces, and this is definitely not full size, but if it was, it would be worth $28. I haven't used a cleansing oil in a little while just because I haven't bought one. This is 1 fluid ounce, so that's a 1/6 or a 1/7 of the box, so 28 divided by 7. So this is about $4 worth, I think. I think that's decent. I do really like cleansing oils. I feel like they do a good job of getting everything out of my pores, so that's definitely a good thing. Excited to get to try this out. I do wish it was bigger, but we are getting about $4 in value out of this, so it's still a decent value so far. The last thing I have in here is this Arizona Eau de Parfum. It's a fragrance. It's a fragrance sample. This is another thing I don't love getting in my boxes just because I'm very particular about my scents. But this is actually a decent size, so that's not too bad. It smells pretty good. It's kind of like florally fruity. So definitely something I'll try out. Not something I would have put in here myself, but still good. It says the full size of this for 1.7 fluid ounces is $100. So this is a very expensive liquid here, and we probably actually got a good monetary value out of that. It's just very expensive fragrance. So honestly, looking through all of these things in this box, I don't think it's a box I would have picked. There are no makeup items in here. There's skincare, there's hair care, there's fragrance, there is a nail item, a nail polish, but there's no makeup. So if you're somebody who's a makeup junkie looking for makeup, maybe Glossybox is not your box because I don't tend to get a whole lot of makeup. Sometimes I'll get some makeup, but it's usually not the fun kind, you know, the colorful kind. Most of the time, if I get makeup in Glossybox, it tends to be like a primer or something like that. So all in all, I think this box was a pretty good value. I think we got at least $70 worth of stuff in this box, taking size of everything into account. And I think that's pretty good for Glossybox. Not really my cup of tea. Okay, now it's time to jump into Boxycharm. This is my ultimate favorite time of the month. I love unboxing Boxycharm. Oh, I'm excited already. I saw one thing in there. I'm so excited, you guys. The first thing I saw that I freaked out about is this CoverFX Blurring Primer Base. I love CoverFX. I feel like I've gotten a few things from them in the past that I've really, really liked, and this is definitely a fun thing to get as well. Let's see if we've got a little card. So it says the MSRP of this is $38. I believe this is the full size. It's 1 fluid ounce. Yeah, so that's what that CoverFX primer looks like. Definitely a really good size. And I love blurring primers. I feel like they make your makeup look really, really great. So I'm very excited to try this out. First thing in the box is a makeup item from a well-known brand. That's what I like to see. Boxycharm. Boom. So the next thing I got in this box was a Hans Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Lip Gloss. I am not a huge fan of lip gloss, but we'll go ahead and try this out. It says that the MSRP is $15, and it's a moisturizing lip gloss formulated with antioxidant-rich argan oil and acai oil infused with anti-aging superfruit extracts. I'm not gonna read anymore because that is jumbling my tongue up. I feel like that's too much tongue jumbling, but you get the general idea. Okay, hopefully it's not super sticky. So after putting this on, I don't feel like it is super sticky. It definitely feels like wet, but it's not sticking together as I put my lips together. Definitely slippery, definitely gonna move around, going to transfer, but it's not obnoxious. I don't feel like I hate it. Also, it smells like cookies, so I feel like that's definitely a plus. So the next thing I got in here is 4 things, I believe. They're Aesthetica makeup brushes. So the first one is right here, and I believe Aesthetica is an Australian brand, which is kind of on the cheaper side, but in general these feel pretty soft. So this is called the Aesthetica P12 face brush. The MSRP of this is $27. I don't know that it's actually that expensive because Aesthetica is supposed to be like an affordable brand. So if anybody is out in Australia, you'll have to let me know if this actually goes for this price, but it feels pretty soft, pretty nice. So the next little package of brushes that I got are these 3 Aesthetica brushes. It says they are the 3-piece eye trio with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. It says the MSRP of this is $45. That maybe sounds a little bit high for these, but I would say these are definitely worth at least $21 for all 3. So we're still looking at good values for each of these items, but sometimes I feel like the prices are a little bit inflated, especially for what you can get things with discount codes and stuff like that. The next thing I'm seeing in here is this Pretty Vulgar, it looks like a little quill thing. Ooh, the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner. That is such a cute little package. I would buy this just for the package, you guys. How freaking cute is that? Let's take a closer look. Do you guys see how cute that is? I'm so excited about this packaging. I think it's adorable. I can't get over this, you guys. I'm gonna be talking about this packaging for days. It's amazing. The MSRP is $24. I feel like that's a little bit high but I think Pretty Vulgar's products tend to be kind of in that price range, so it makes sense. I'm excited to see if it works well, because if it works well, that's gonna be my new favorite eyeliner. And that product is over the value of the box as well, so we're doing really, really well here. And the last thing we have in here looks like a little square palette. You can't see what it is from the sleeve, so that's interesting. Looks like we got a pure sculptor palette. A lot of pure palettes coming in here lately. That's a little bit weird to me, like attack of the pure palettes. Looks like it came with 2 highlight shades and 2 bronzing shades. The bronzing shades don't actually look a whole lot different to me. I mean, they look more different on camera than they do to me in the pan right here. And the highlight shades look very similar as well. I guess they look different in the camera as well, but into my eye right here, they look pretty much the same. So I would say these feel okay. They're not anything super amazing. I think the highlight colors, the golden one on the bottom is maybe just a little bit too dark for me. As far as the contour shades go, I could probably use either one of them, but the light one's gonna be a little bit better. I don't like though that the light one is definitely warmer, so something I'll have to think about. So yeah, we just got the 2 highlight shades over there and the 2 contour shades over there. And it looks like the MSRP of this is $30. I don't know that I'd pay $30 for this. For me, the product just isn't super duper high quality. The bronzers feel a little bit chalky, a little bit patchy, so not something like I'm amazed at from my first swatches, but I'll definitely have to test it out and see what I think. Let's show you guys everything we got here. Like seriously, we got a lot of stuff. We got the sculptor palette, we got the gel eyeliner, the Cover FX primer, the lip gloss, and the 4 makeup brushes. So that is a ton of stuff to get in this box. Definitely worth far more than the $20. And this box was a lot more my style than the Glossybox. A lot of makeup, a lot of fun makeup, and less of the skincare hair care stuff. So if you're into makeup, Boxycharm's a good box. And I'm not even gonna have you guys guess because it's pretty obvious. Boxycharm was definitely my favorite box. That's pretty much it. If you loved this unboxing, this battle of the boxes between Boxycharm and Glossybox for May of 2018, then make sure you smash that like button. And also make sure you subscribe if you have not already and you enjoy watching Cassie get really hot in a sweater while she films. Okay, well, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!